Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Which of the following options represents the next two terms in the series? So there are some letters written here. So let's write alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's see, this is C, after which we get Z. Then one letter is left, we get E. Then no letter is left, we get Y. Then one letter is left, we get G. And then no letter is left, we get X. So with this pattern, we have one letter here and zero letters here. So next letter should be I after leaving this one letter, and next letter should be W after leaving no letter. And if we check here in the pattern, it's correct. So the pattern that we have found here is true. So let's see, next should be K and here it should be V. So next members will be K and V. So answer is option D.